Welcome friends to today's video related to current affairs which will be useful for the airport operations and the ATC Junior Executive Airport Authority of India. So starting with today, Aero India 2 2021, it is a exhibition which is being organized every alternate year. So this year it is being organized from 3rd February to 5th February, which is basically for 3 days, and this is being organized at the Air Force Station Yelahanka, Bangalore, which is in Karnataka. So what happens is every alternate year, it is being conducted for 5 days, but due to COVID, this time they are conducting it only for 3 days, which is starting from 3rd to 5th February in Bangalore. Now there is a new airport which is being coming at the Goa city, which is in the area of Mopa. It is known as the Mopa Greenfield Airport, and it is expected to commission by August 2022. The key term to remember is that a new airport is coming in the area Mopa, which is a part of the Mopa Plateau, which is in Goa. The Bhubaneswar Airport, which is in Orissa, it is known as a Biju Patnaik International Airport. This you have to remember. Bhubaneswar Airport is also known as a Biju Patnaik International Airport. Next, Vistara, which is one of the primary airline in India, it has now become the first airline to feature the Panasonic's Arc 3D map application. So basically, it is a Panasonic app, and then it is a 3D map. So what will happen is, with the installation of this 3D map in the in-flight entertainment, which is IFE. So in the international flights, you might be knowing that there will be an entertainment which is available, which is known as IFE. So using this application, which is from Panasonic, passengers will have a better experience. They can see the current location of the air flight, and many more features are there. Next, you might have heard about the Rafale fighter jets aircraft, which are the French based aircraft. The engines of these aircrafts are being manufactured by the French company, which is the Safran. So this is a key term to remember. The Safran, they are manufacturing the Rafale jet engines as well as the LEAP family of engines which are used in the civil aviation in India. So now recently they have set up a manufacturing facility in Hyderabad. So this is a key term to remember. The Mysuru airport is also known as the Mandakali airport. So we have to remember this. They can ask us in the exam. Now coming to the airlines, recently Go Air has become the India's third largest domestic airline. The first is the Indigo airline, as I have shared in my previous videos. There is an airport in the Kannur district of Andhra Pradesh. It is known as the Orvakar Airport. The Cochin International Airport, which is in Kerala, which is also known as a SEAL in short form, it is a fully solar powered airport in India. You have to remember that. This is fully solar powered. And now recently they have also added the two new floating solar power plants. So this is also a first of its kind in India. So we have to remember this. So friends, if you have liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.